Just a quick one on how to replace the pads, the rear pads on a Volvo S40. So you'll take the wheel off and you'll be greeted with this. This will be in place. This brackets kind of hold the two parts together just like that. So you'll just get a screwdriver and prise gently on this bit underneath, and then that will pop straight off. And then finally, to kind of separate the caliper into two parts, there's bolts, slider pins here and another one here, and they look like this. I'm just replacing them with the with the boots because these had both perished, so it will look like that. And it's a Allen head, I can't remember what size. I'd recommend just getting new ones with new rubbers. So you take that off and the bolt that's there, and then the whole caliper will kind of lift up. Detach that from the bracket so you've got more free play. Make sure the parking brake isn't on, it needs to be off. And that's it really, you can access the pads. So it's really quite easy. So yeah, like I said, just a quick one. I'm only doing this to I've already like painted them and applied more copper grease and stuff, but yeah, I'm just replacing the sliders and the boots. Do not use copper grease on these, it will perish the rubber over time. You need to use rubber grease, and if you buy a proper kit it will come with the rubber grease. Don't use any other type of grease on these sliders, because as I just said, the rubber will perish and the slider pin will most likely seize up. In my case, I'm replacing these because they've perished, and also over time they can swell up so the slider can't slide freely in the boot, which might eventually lock the wheel up and overheat the brakes. So yeah, all in all, it's very easy. So yeah, the front is even easier, to be fair. It's the same kind of setup, it's just a bigger caliper, but you can turn the wheel to get better access. So there we go. As far as the sliders go, I got new sliders and new boots and the grease, two of them, like for 2 wheels for £10, so can't go wrong. I'll leave a link in the description.